you do not want to use a sleeved pipe. A pipe that has a sleeve, or it's also known as a sock. Basically, a perforated pipe with a sleeve or sock on it. I guess the thought behind this is it's going to filter out the dirt and it's not going to plug the pipe. Well, you know, that's true, but here's where it fails. You want to line the trench with a fabric. You don't need a pipe with a sock or sleeve on it. What happens when you go with a pipe that has a sleeve or sock on it and you just fill the trench with gravel, pea stone, the stone mixes with the subsoil mixes with the stone, and it plugs. The system fails. We're replacing an existing French drain system because if this trench would have been lined with a filter fabric and the pipe, the perforated pipe, would have been installed without a sleeve or sock, this system would still be working. For a French drain system done right the first time in Oakland Township, Macomb Township, Washington Township, Shelby Township, and Clinton Township, give us a call.